This video is brought to you from one agency far north. 8 Whitecaps Place in the beautiful beachside village of Hihi on the shores of Darkness Bay in the winterless far north. This 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom, fully renovated home is the epitome of timeless charm and modern luxury. Aptly named the Hamptons in Hihi, where the best beach life meets timeless elegance, and features 3 levels of modern luxury. The first level, beautifully renovated and bathed in natural sunlight, is the entertainment heart of the stunning beach home, with its open-plan living, dining and lounge, complete with heat pump for perfect comfort year-round. The sleek kitchen and the living area open wide 3-by-fold doors onto the entertainment deck. This level also features a guest bedroom and ensuite. Enjoy family time on the spacious deck while soaking in the sea breeze. The loft is a perfect retreat with a private bedroom and its own ensuite, perfect for friends and family with stunning views across Hihi and out to the glistening waters of Darkness Bay. The brand new addition of the ground level is all about coastal comfort and style, combining beach vibes with classic Hamptons interior. A cozy living space opens onto the deck. This floor features 2 beautifully styled bedrooms and a sleek modern bathroom. There is a functional laundry to keep beach days easy and carefree. Enjoy the indoor-outdoor flow to the spacious lawn area. There are 2 garden sheds and off-street parking for your boat and car. This stunning property is the centre of Hihi and has 2 pathway options to the dual waterfronts, one through the local dog park to the beach and another through the neighbourhood to a safe swimming beach and boat ramp. The Hamptons in Hihi, just 10 minutes to the shops and restaurants in Monganui and surrounding sandy beaches of Cooper's Beach and Cable Bay. To view, contact me, Leonie, one agency, far north.